Is your HP printer refusing to scan? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, especially after OS updates. This video provides a straightforward guide to get you back on track. First, ensure your printer is powered on and connected properly, either via USB or Wi-Fi. These initial checks resolve a large percentage of scanning issues. For Wi-Fi connection, check your network settings to ensure the printer is connected to the same network. For Windows, run the HP Print and Scan Doctor, available on HP's website. This tool automatically diagnoses and fixes common problems. In the HP Print and Scan Doctor, select your printer and make sure it's set as the default if prompted. Mac users should start by verifying printer permissions in System Settings under Privacy and Security. Make sure your printer has access. In the Printers and Scanners window, click Add Printer to set up your HP printer if it's not listed. If not, proceed to the next steps. If basic checks didn't resolve the scanning issue, let's explore advanced troubleshooting. Outdated or corrupted drivers are common causes. For Windows users, access Device Manager to update your printer's driver. Go to Device Manager, locate your HP printer under Print Queues, right-click and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to get the latest version from Windows Update. Open services.msc by searching for it in the Start menu. Find Print Spooler and HP Status Service. Right-click each and select Restart to refresh the printing system. For Mac users, visit HP's support website to download the latest drivers for your specific printer model. Follow the installation prompts to update the software. On Mac, clear printer caches by navigating to the Hidden Library folder in your user directory and deleting files starting with com.hp in the Caches folder. For Wi-Fi connected printers, try forgetting the printer in System Settings and re-adding it, or reset your network settings to resolve connectivity issues. As a last resort, uninstall the current HP software from your computer and reinstall the full suite from HP's website to ensure all components are properly configured. For printers with cloud integration, ensure your internet connection is stable and update the HP Smart App to the latest version for optimal scanning performance. If issues persist after these steps, visit HP's support website or community forums for model-specific advice and additional troubleshooting guides.